Hey everybody, it's Avi with Global Visions Inc. I want to introduce you to a couple new products that we just got in from Akuvox. So one of them is the Akuvox S560. It's an audio-only station. It's with a handset to give privacy. And also the second unit is the S562. This is a Linux monitor. It's part of their new Akuvox's design with a front-facing speaker, and it's a very closely installed to the wall. So people like that. And I'll show you in a little bit the comparison with the other C313. There's also a 10-inch 567 with dual speakers and the same kind of design of a stainless side. And when the screen's off, it really looks like a nice picture over there as well. Now, going back to the S560, you could use this as if people want privacy or for a guard phone or combination. Not all the time when people are calling from the street do you want suddenly to have it in speakers so everybody hears what's going on. Or it could be an office. Or if you have, let's say, a security monitor and you don't need a separate monitor, but you want a handset, and again, a little bit more for privacy. So I'm going to give an example, bringing the different stations off the X912. And then I'll explain some of the features as we go through it. So in the X912, I've set this up as a single tenant mode. And so here we have a ringing. So I'm able to see the screen and choose which one I want to answer. So I'm going to answer with the S562, hello. And then, as I'm speaking, I could do a couple of things. First of all, the most important thing is I could release the door from right over here. So when I press that, so that's one way to release it. There's a couple other options over here. I could turn on Do Not Disturb if I don't want, people to call at certain times, and I just press that. So enable it. Also, going back to the S562, it's a little bit of a crisper image than the C313. On the audio side, it is a front-facing speaker. I haven't noticed the level of difference like I noticed with 567, but it's still, a beautiful product. And again, this time I'll answer the call so you see how it is on the S562. Because it has a bigger mic and it's outside, there will be some feedback once I answer. So, hello, and I could answer, unlock. I could rename these as well. And obviously I can mute it, and I have the video preview. So obviously, for most of the time, we're going to want to be able to see who's by the door before we answer it. So the handset works great, I think, in conjunction or if you have a screen. Again, there's a lot of different options. Over here on the handset, one of the things we showed before is by the unlock button, there's also speed dial. So yes, this phone will work with VoIP, traditional VoIP. It's really well priced as well. Or you could put the speed dial. You manually have to put in the SIP numbers of the different devices or create the inside the device itself when you're doing the programming that you would put it in, or speed dials for your VoIP system. And going back to let's take a look at the side of C313 here, and you'll notice like how close it is to the wall, not as close as the S562. So again, it's probably around double the amount of space that it takes. It's not a tremendous amount, but it's still, a big difference. Everybody wants to get as close as possible. And again, beautiful product, beautiful pricing. Brooklyn Low Voltage Supply, they got some really, really good technicians out there, and they also have some really good pricing on the products, and they'll put you in the right way. Highly recommended. Check it out. If you have any questions, you want to find out more about it, reach out to us at globalvisionsinc.com. And thank you so much.